guys, welcome back to Brick Machine. Today we're doing something for all those Star Wars fans out there. A TIE Fighter. In the previous episode, we finished off the bedroom. Now, we're building starfighters. So, let's build this Empire's weapon. Right, to start this off, we have to separate the bricks. Let's build the wings. Right, now let's build the overall shape. So you get these pieces, 4 of them, and put them like this. Then you get this piece, you just plop that on top. Then you just do that twice. Now we've got the wings. So next we build the body. The pieces you'll need. They're basically the rest of them. So to start this off, you get this piece here, and you put a whole Technic, I think it is, brick, and you just put that on. Now, putting that aside, we get 2 of these, and we put these grey ones on it. Now, we grab our previous piece, put those like this. Again, I apologize. It might be hard to see because it's close to night time, but anyway. Now we get this white piece. Doesn't have to be white, it can be any color. And you just put that in there. Then we grab a similar piece, put that on top. Now we get a black tile with a stud on it, put that on that piece. Then we put this plate on the bottom. Then we get these 2 plates, one there, one there. Now we just have to put the windscreen on. Just this clear shieldy piece. Just place that on. Now we get these 2 knobbly pieces and grab our wings. We just put those on top. And we get a screen. Just put those on. Then, to make it look more cool, in my opinion, you move those. Oh, sorry. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye! Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and click that notifications bell to never miss another video.